Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to clear cache on Moviebox. So the first step you have to take is to go to your phone settings. So right here in your phone settings, you just scroll, click on the app management, click on app list. So right here on app list, all you have to do is to search for your Moviebox. Click on it. So right here, just click on the storage and cache and clear your cache. You can also clear storage if you want all the data that you have in your Moviebox to be cleared off. But if you just want to clear off the trash there, just clear your cache. So guys, that is it on how to clear cache on Moviebox. If this video was helpful, please do to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.